Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow yellow peppers. Now there's many different types of yellow peppers, and I love different types of sweet peppers. They can come in more of a bell shape, or you can have this nice banana shape of a yellow pepper. But they're really easy to grow as long as you put them in a sunny spot with good drainage. And you can start with them growing already, or you can start them by seed. And when you start them by seed, it's really easy to do. But you want to make sure and start them later in the season. You don't want to start them right after the last frost. It's not warm at night. You want to wait till the nights get really warm and it's not really cooling down a lot at night. That's the best time to start a pepper. And when you plant the seeds, just make a trough. And then you just sprinkle the seeds right into the trough. And then you just cover them up about 1 inch. And less is always more because you can always trim out some of the spindly plants and leave some of the bigger ones. But I've been pretty amazed with how much success I've had with my peppers. And just this one little plant has given me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 12 peppers off of one little plant. So for 99 cents that I got at the garden show, I'm sure getting my money's worth because, as we know, each one of these peppers is worth a lot at the grocery store. And I've grown it organically. I've not used any pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizer, and it's done wonderfully. Just nice composted soil, lots of sun and good drainage, and there you go. You'll have your own beautiful yellow peppers.